Hello, I'm stupid, and I missed the E3. So like, time to just watch the stream. I just found the start of the stream part where it happens, so I'm just gonna. There we go. Oh, it's Corona 19. Corona Mountain, Mario Sunshine. I saw there was Metroid. That is it. That is all I saw.
Hello everyone, I'm Shinya Takahashi, and I'll be your guide for today's Nintendo Direct.
Let's
Hello,
go.
I'm Yoshiaki Koizumi, and I'll be your guide as well.
The Nintendo Switch system is now in its 5th year, and many people around the world are playing games on it. Nintendo Switch is being enjoyed by a wide range of players spanning all ages and all levels of gaming experience.
Okay, buddy.
Thank you all very much. We've been able to offer a wide variety of games on the system, not just from Nintendo, but also from our many
Oh,
development.
fuck off!
I hope that
Mike
each of
Stuff
you
recommends
watching
editor
this
in my
Nintendo
corner
Direct
while I'm
will be
recording.
able to find a
Fuck
game that
you,
suits your
Windows.
personal tastes.
Today, we have news on upcoming Nintendo Switch games, and we'll be focusing on a selection of games releasing this year.
Oh!
We hope you enjoy it.
It's not. Wow, we're just gonna
Okay,
release in
to
3
begin,
years.
Please take a look at this video.
Epic. Epic. They're not stupid for once. They're actually doing things that we allowed to be excited for in the near future. And not 3 years. Oh, fuck! What is this? What the fuck? Ganondorf is fucking dead. What the fuck? Oh shit! This is the Tekken Man. Right? That's Tekken Man. That's Tekken Man from Tekken Man 35. Is my fucking audio desynced? Yeah, my audio is absolutely fucking desynced on this. Hey, okay, I'm back. Hello. It's like half an hour later. I can watch the video. Okay, we watched all this. Okay, Ganondorf is fucking dead. I like the sparks. I like the effects. Those are some snazzy effects. A Captain Falcon is fucking dead. What the fuck? Me and the boys throwing all the Fire Emblem characters off the death cliff. Just Min, her arm is so fucking long that it just stays on. Tekken, it's Kessen, holy fuck. Please tell me he just floats back up. Oh, I love that. I love that. That's good.
Hello.
Hey,
I'm
it's
Masahiro
my
Sakai,
boy.
and the director of the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate game.
It's
Kazuya
Mr.
Mishima
Man.
from the fighting game
It's
series
Mr.
Tekken
Man.
will join the battle.
Holy fuck.
Surprise! I'll go over the details
Surprise.
at a later date, so please sit tight. For today, though, we've prepared a short video to showcase Kazuya's moves in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Please take a look.
Cool, buddy. You know, I'm not like jazzed about this, but I'm not pissed. This is definitely like this is definitely a well-made character. This is like, yeah, that makes sense. I mean, there's like the Mii costumes or whatever. Wait, can he fucking wait? You fucking wave dash? You can fucking wave dash, okay.
This feels like Tekken. No, it's Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. I'll talk about the fighter more in a future presentation. We still have to record it first,
Sakurai's
actually.
so fucking good.
The air date is shown below. Please stay tuned.
Sakurai's so fucking good.
Thank you, Mr. Sakurai. New fighter Kazuya will join the fight in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate.
Sakurai is just such a fucking Chad.
Please look forward
honestly.
to seeing how Kazuya, who has experienced many harsh battles across the Tekken series, will fight in this game. Alright, let's continue with our first batch of Nintendo Switch headlines.
Oh boy, let's go.
Your choices matter in these emotional, supernatural tales.
What is this? What is this? It's Train Simulator. Who the fuck are these people? Oh, okay. That doesn't tell me anything about who the fuck these people are, though. Still.
Life is Strange True Colors launches on Nintendo Switch September 10th.
Okay.
And Life is Strange Remastered
Okay.
Collection comes to
Okay.
Nintendo Switch later this year.
I'm yawning in real life.
There's something for everyone
Probably
on
just
the
'cause I'm
Nintendo Switch
tired.
system.
I'm just tired, but also
You are
this is boring.
Star-Lord, leading a legendary band of heroes for hire in this thrilling action-adventure game. Jump on a wild ride across the cosmos, overwhelm opponents with Star-Lord's daring combat style, and encounter
feel like-
iconic and original Marvel characters.
I feel like,
You'll call the
oh,
shots
there's
for
something
the
for everyone on
unpredictable
Nintendo Switch.
Guardians
That's
as
the
they face
same
cosmic
kind of
threats to save the
vibe
galaxy.
as the one where
You
it was
got
just
this.
like, Nintendo Switch has games.
Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy blasts onto Nintendo Switch October 26th. Worms everywhere! In this real-time arena-based shooter, you'll squish your ordinary opponents in 32-player
Worms everywhere.
daily challenges, battle modes, and seasonal events to worm your way up the ranks.
The fucking.
Plus, the Patchwork Bear outfit exclusive to the Nintendo
Oh,
Switch
I-
version will be available
I
for free for
like
2 weeks
that.
after launch.
I
The new map
like
Spaceport
that,
Showdown
actually.
launches
That's
with Worms
creative.
Rumble, wriggling onto Nintendo Switch June 23rd.
Wriggling.
Get a 25% discount when you pre-order the game starting today on Nintendo eShop.
This guy's fucking voice.
The fantastical realm of Orcanon awaits. As you explore this fully hand-painted world,
Oh,
you'll customize
shit.
a team of demigods and unleash devastating attacks and captivating turn-based
Oh, that I like the
Astria
style
Descending
on
launches
that.
on Nintendo Switch September 30th.
Very, very, very painterly. I like it.
Return to the funny, charming, and quirky world of 2 Point County. In the wholesome management sim 2 Point Campus, you'll build and run your very own university the way you want it.
The fuck is
Lots
this?
of creative tools are at your disposal to make the school yours and take your educational empire to the next level. Enrollment for 2 Point Campus starts on Nintendo Switch next year.
Okay.
A beloved series rolls into its 20th
Oh,
anniversary
shit.
this year.
Funny monkey! Are they gonna make a good one? Are they gonna make a good one for once? Oh, they're at least releasing the good ones. I know nothing about Monkey Ball. I just know that the first like 2 are good, and then that's it.
Go Bananas wins Super Monkey Ball Banana Mania rolls onto Nintendo Switch October 5th.
Why? I know people like Monkey Ball, so I am happy for
It's a
people that
blast from
monkey.
parties past.
Oh
and
boy.
you're invited. Ready for another round of Mario Party mayhem? Of course you are. It's a superstar collection of Mario Party boards and minigames.
Ooh! Oh, so it's top 100, but good.
Boards from the Nintendo 64 era,
Oh!
including Peach's Birthday Cake and Spaceland.
Oh, that's sick.
Each board is packed with zany
It's-
events guaranteed to keep you on your toes.
It's Mario Party
when
top
we say
100
zany,
except
we
good.
mean
Fucking
Jump.
fantastic.
Connect blocks and give face in hilarious over-the-top minigames.
Bowser
All of
Face
which support
HD, yes.
With 100 minigames from the Mario Party series catalog, you'll have a blast in this all-star fun fest. Here's a little party favor. All game modes work with online
Yo! Yo!
play. Even if you're partying
They
solo,
actually did a thing that we wanted. What the
party
fuck?
goers
Who is this? What did you
playing
do
a
with
game online with
Nintendo?
friends, save your progress mid-game, grab a snack.
Where's the real
then
Nintendo?
resume
Where are
the
you
festivities.
keeping them?
Stickers are also available to communicate with
Nintendo
others.
isn't supposed to
It's
give
time
us
to
the things that we
partake
want.
in
What
Mario
the fuck?
Party Superstars, launching on the Nintendo Switch system October 29th.
That's
Pre-orders begin
bullshit.
today on
That's
Nintendo
bullshit. What's the catch? How many amiibos do I need to buy for it to work?
Before we show this next trailer, I'd like to say one thing. Currently, we're working hard on the latest game in the Metroid Prime series, Metroid Prime 4, which we previously announced. But today, we'd like to introduce another new entry in the Metroid franchise.
Yeah, I heard
take a
about
look.
this. Earlier when I was trying to watch the stream, I just clicked on it and the treehouse was like, hello, it's Metroid. And I was like, okay. Oh shit! Oh, Metroid 5. Oh, that's sick. That's a sick suit. I like that design. Fucking Murica Samus. Oh, that's... Oh, the fucking way it, like, wraps around... I like the robotics on that. Like just the way it kind of reorients itself. That's sick. That's sick. Oh, shit. She's dead. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, this game looks sick! I tried to disassociate when I was watching the treehouse footage. So I'm just gonna pretend like this is the first time I'm seeing it. Oh, that looks extremely Metroid, and I like that. Man, I need to play more Metroids. I played AM2R on this channel
That was the
a while
trailer
ago, and
for the
that's
first
about
new
my
2D Metroid
extent of my
game in
Metroid
roughly
experience.
19 years. The brand new Metroid Dread game. As the name Dread implies, This is a Metroid game with a new feel, showcasing a variety of threats that Samus will encounter. It's scheduled to be released on October 8th, so it won't be too long until launch.
Ooh.
On that same day, we'll also be releasing amiibo figures for Samus and the Emmy, the robot seen in the video. Let's move on to more Nintendo Switch
That
headlines.
suit design is sick, though.
These familiar franchises are back on Nintendo
Wow.
Switch.
I'm a stu-
Get ready to get down in the latest Just Dance game.
Okay.
we used to fun. I miss the way we used to fun.
It's gay. The gay level. Epic.
I miss your body on my body. I miss the way we used to sway the
Also, am I gonna get copyright strike
Just
for
Dance
this?
2022, launching on Nintendo
I just
Switch.
realized I think I'm gonna get fucking copyrights.
The arcade smash hit Cruisin' Blast is speeding onto Nintendo Switch. Blast your way through nearly 30 over-the-top tracks. Up to 4 players can race together, so pick your favorite vehicle and hit the road. Cruisin' Blast launches as a console exclusive on Nintendo Switch this fall. It's the ultimate
Oh,
Dragon
shit.
Ball Z experience.
It's Dragon Balls.
Relive
Oh,
the story
fuck.
of Goku and other Z fighters through 4 sagas in this action RPG. Saiyan,
Oh, that just like
protect the Earth from an invasion.
that just like
of Vegeta
flying
and
around looks cool.
Frieza, take a stand against the evil Emperor. Cell, battle the androids in a fight to the death. Majin Buu, an epic showdown with the most fearsome foe. Along with the main story, you can explore the vast world of Dragon Ball Z. Hey, why not help out the locals? Or collect ingredients for delicious meals. You could always train to acquire new skills, too. There are
Okay,
lots of
buddy.
things to keep
Also,
you
the
busy.
Piss Cloud.
The boss battle episodes, A New Power Awakens Parts 1
Piss
and 2
Cloud.
are also included.
That
Dragon
cloud looks like
Ball Z Kakarot, plus A
fucking
New Power Awakens set
Huff
punches
and
its
Puff
way
or
onto
whatever his
Nintendo
fucking
Switch
name is
September
from
24th.
Paper Mario 64.
Grab a golf club and get ready to tee off.
Wow.
The Mario Golf Super Rush game launches soon. Here's a quick glimpse into each of the modes. Standard Golf. Take your time to read
Where's
the wind
Frolf?
and terrain on the greens.
Where's Frolf mode?
Hit different types
Oh,
of shots and aim
that's
under par.
sick. I like the like sand Magmargs.
Speed Golf.
I think they have
Smack your
like
ball, then chase after it.
it's like those
Be the first to
kind
get your ball
of
in the
sand
hole.
guys in
Outpace your rivals with
3D
special dashes
Land,
and special
right?
shots.
I'm not sure if those are new, but I like them. I like them.
Battle Golf. Duke it out over 9 flag-marked holes in an obstacle-filled arena.
Oh shit.
Capture 3 flags to win.
That looks sick actually.
Golf Adventure. Go from rookie to pro with your Mii character. The golfing challenges that await may surprise you.
Is that a
here's some
fucking
news.
golf bass
Free
ball?
updates are
Bass
planned for future
bobble.
release, including additional courses and playable
Also, wait, oh shit, Metro.
The fairway's almost open, so set your tee time and get ready to ace those shots in Mario Golf Super Rush, swinging onto the Nintendo Switch system June 25th.
They got Metro in
Pre-orders
there.
are
That's
available now on
sick.
Nintendo eShop.
I like the golf dash panels.
Ready
That's
for the ride
funny.
of a lifetime?
Oh god.
Welcome to the vast and vibrant world of
Oh.
Monster Hunter.
Oh, okay. I thought it was some fucking RPG bullshit.
As a rider
Anime
in this
RPG
adventure,
bullshit because of the
You'll
fucking
explore diverse landscapes by riding your monster,
title card
monster
thingy.
companion.
looks like some
Gather materials such
RPG
as
no
honey
one
and
cares
ore,
about, you
then
know,
use them to
classic
craft items
Nintendo
for your
Direct.
journey.
But it's Monster Hunter
But
anime
beware
no
of
one
the many
cares
monsters
about, so
roaming
that's
about.
like slightly less
Some are docile,
terrible.
but others may suddenly ambush you. To fight,
Holy
you'll team up
shit.
with your Monstie and use weapons
It's
and
fucking
skills to
RTX
overwhelm
on
enemy monsters in
Marshtomp.
turn-based battles. Win, and you'll be rewarded with their materials, which can be forged into new weapons and armor. Hey, is that an egg? You might be able to hatch a new monster.
Would you like a nice egg in
Incredibly
this trying
powerful
time?
monsters can also hatch from rare eggs. Need more traveling buddies? Join up with friends for co-op multiplayer quests and battles. Buckle up, Ryder. It's going to be a real monster of an adventure. Monster Hunter Stories 2: Wings of Ruin soars onto Nintendo Switch July 9th. You can play the free demo on June 25th and carry over your save data to the full game.
Yeah, I'm just gonna not do either of those things.
Here's a new game from the head.
Eh! Oh, yes!
Hey, what do you mean? Who am I? It's me, Wario.
Wario!
It's finally ready. A brand new game from my company. Check it out. You get to control me. Time to do this. Look at me go. Rats. Check out these chumps. They came back and they have wonderful new talents. Throw that stick thing. Not so bad. Use the spinning whatchamacallit. Nailed it. Same micro game, different abilities. Wah! I almost forgot some big news. 2 people can play together at the same time. So play nice, or else.
Or else Wario's gonna fucking kill you.
All right, you. Yes, you, the one watching this. Better get ready for some micro game mayhem.
The WarioWare Get It Together game launches exclusively on the Nintendo Switch system
I just-
September 10th. Pre-orders
I just
begin
love
today
hearing
on Nintendo
Wario
eShop.
just say some bullshit. That's just fantastic.
What you just saw was the trailer for WarioWare.
WarioWare!
In the latest installment of this series, there are new microgames that let you control Wario and his friends. There is also a 2-player co-op mode, which greatly expands the gameplay. It's releasing in the near future, so stay tuned.
Wario time!
Next, please take a look.
Wonderful!
As a high school student living in Tokyo, your life is fairly normal.
But everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked.
But that reality is upended after you get pulled into a different dimension.
Okay. Okay, buddy.
Another Tokyo exists. A post-apocalyptic world.
It's him,
where
Bob
aliens and
Anime.
Demons reside.
Okay. That motherfucker is the most
Suddenly,
just bland man
mysterious figure
I've ever seen.
gaining the power to fight demons. What lies ahead in this alternate realm?
He has like a bowl cut, but stupider somehow.
The world is now
How do you make a
transformed
bowl
into
cut
sprawling,
stupider?
demon-infested wasteland.
I
Though friendly demons do exist here, many are hostile and will attempt to destroy you. Harness your newfound powers to fight demons using a command-based system. Finding their weak point is key. By targeting it, the number of consecutive
It's a
actions
giant
you can perform in
enemy
a combo
crab.
will increase.
and you attack its weak point for massive
Though
damage.
demons are formidable opponents. You may be able to recruit
Sorry,
them
it's
via
expelling the
negotiations,
dead meme
which begin when you open a conversation
from my
with
body.
them.
My body rejected that meme because of how ancient it is. Honestly, that meme ages well because of how fucking specific
Will become a
the context
powerful
for it
ally.
is. Like, you don't get to use that
In some
often,
cases,
so it doesn't get
by rejecting
like
a
old.
demon's request,
It doesn't like
They may feel motivated and join you as an ally.
some memes
Demons
they're
that
so
do join
overused,
will
but that
fight
one's not
alongside you and
overused
grow
because like when the
stronger.
fuck do you ever get to use it? That's such a
By
situational meme.
fusing demon allies, another demon can be created. The newly fused demon's innate abilities will vary, granting you a powerful ally customized to your needs and
Hey,
playstyle.
it's the man from Man.com and Knuckles.
Challenge the many demons roaming this post-apocalyptic world by harnessing the power of your own. What destiny
I am
will you
yawning in
choose?
real life.
Shin Megami Tensei 5 will launch exclusively on Nintendo Switch November 12th.
I am yawning in real life. I
Pre-orders for the
don't.
physical version begin June 21st.
I don't just care about Shingle Mega Man
That was the latest
Tensei.
trailer for Shin Megami
Tennessee.
Tensei 5 from Atlas.
Shingle Mega Man
This
Tennessee.
is the newest game in the series. Please look forward to future updates. Let's see a few more Nintendo Switch headlines.
Celebrate 10 years of Danganronpa in despair.
It's Dragon Rompus.
Ahem, ahem. Testing, testing. Mic check 1, 2. This is a test of the school broadcast system.
Three games in the deadly Danganronpa series are coming to Nintendo Switch.
I am this school.
Monokuma, the self-proclaimed school headmaster, has trapped you and other high school students in a game of literal life and death. Unfortunately, the only way out of the school and this lethal game is to betray the other students. And so it begins.
A body has been discovered.
When a student meets their demise, a class trial will take place to reveal the culprit.
You're the culprit, aren't you, Mio?
Tanya, I had no idea.
They probably moved the body there.
Use the evidence you've gathered to refute contradictions and find the guilty party.
Sneak attack. No, what's wrong? Are you okay?
Plus, the board game from Danganronpa V3 Killing Harmony has been expanded into a standalone game. Danganronpa S Ultimate Summer Camp. An all-star cast of characters from the Danganronpa series will come together to battle at a tropical resort. Who's the strongest of them all in this ultimate beach brawl?
Just cutting from a murder trial to a fucking board game.
As a physical exclusive on Nintendo Switch later this year.
It's fucking Fall Guys. Their solar system will be destroyed. God.
We
Fucking.
hope you're not afraid of ghosts.
Damn it. Oh shit, it's Luigi's Mansion. It's Luigi's Mansion 4. Featuring the
In this horror adventure game, you'll
Featuring
uncover the mysteries
Girl
surrounding
Luigi.
the ethereal but deadly Mount Hikami, believed to be at the center of many disappearances. Ghosts frequent this mountain. Your only defense is a camera that can repel and cast them out. Face your fears as you explore a variety of unsettling locations. This spine-chilling story features various protagonists, and you experience the game from different perspectives. New costumes and photo modes are included in this version. Can you investigate Mount Hikami and stay alive? Fatal Frame, Maiden of Black Water.
That's a
frees onto
weird way
Nintendo
to
Switch this year.
pronounce Luigi's Mansion.
These games and DLC are coming soon.
Wow.
Some even today.
Oh fuck.
Your war is not over. Raise hell in the first campaign expansion for Doom Eternal, The Ancient Gods Part 1.
Man, I need to play Doom.
Deeper and more
Because I
challenging
heard
combat
it's so
awaits
fucking good.
as you eliminate hell's
But I
newest
haven't
threats.
played it because I'm an
Demon
idiot
infested
and
ruins
also have no
and
money.
rain-swept terrain. The fate of the cosmos is in your hands. Get slaying when this campaign expansion launches on Nintendo Switch later today. Get ramped up for two iconic
Holy
skateboard
shit.
games fully
Oh, fuck.
remastered in HD. Skate to
Oh, sick.
era-defining jams as the legendary Tony Hawk and a roster of new and returning pros. Take your sessions on
Tony
the go with all
Man.
the original game modes.
Tony Man.
Locally or online to show off your tricks
And
against other
Knuckles.
skaters. Drop into Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1 and 2, launching on Nintendo Switch June 25th. Pre-orders are available now on Nintendo eShop. After 4,000 years, Sateki, the Witch Queen, has risen from the dead.
Okay.
And only one group of heroes can stop her.
Okay.
The Strange Brigade. In this thrilling adventure,
Okay.
you'll blast through an army of mummified monstrosities while solving puzzles in booby-trapped dungeons. Go it
That's-
alone or team up with other
Isn't
daring
that literally the
adventurers in wireless
Bioshock
co-op
puzzle?
and online play.
Like the same color of
Expect the
pipes and
unexpected
everything,
when Strange Brigade launches
but
a
you
Nintendo
shoot
Switch
the
later today.
puzzle.
It's a new adventure
Oh
of cosmic
shit!
proportions.
Yeah, this was weird. Is that a fucking rabbit Luma?
Mario and his friends will team up with the Rabbids once again to restore order to the game.
I just saw rabbit
Our heroes must
Luma.
stop a mysterious new evil from plunging.
Oh, I don't like its face.
Rabbid Rosalina joins them. Is she bored already?
Oh my god.
Planets filled with
Okay, because I
quirky
fucking
residents
hate
with quirky
Rosalina because she
secrets.
just sounds like she doesn't give a shit.
And in this
Ever.
fresh take on the tactical genre,
Rosalina is just so monotone and bullshit. It's like, bitch, you're in every game ever and you can't even bother to be bothered to give a shit.
with a little help from your friends.
So that is perfect. I love that she's just like a fucking dipshit.
Well, one thing's certain. This is gonna be
She's
one
just like,
heck of
well,
a
I don't
galactic
care,
adventure.
because that's exactly how I
Mario plus
view
Rabbids, Sparks
Rosalina.
of Hope launches
It's
into
just
space
a fucking
onto Nintendo
dumbass
Switch
that
next
doesn't
year.
give a shit about anything. So that's good. I like that. So what is this? It's anime. Oh fuck! It's Advanced Wario. Nice.
Thrilling stories, memorable characters, and vibrant gameplay are in store as you lead the commanding officers to victory. Play the first two Advance Wars campaigns in Advance Wars 1+2 Reboot Camp, marching on to Nintendo Switch this holiday.
A
Pre-orders begin today
reboot
on
camp.
Nintendo eShop.
I like that.
How is everything?
That's clever.
All
I like when they're not just
This
like,
next segment
wow,
will
it's
be
the
our
remake.
last announcement
Wow,
of the
look at the remake. They
Please
put a
take a
spin
look.
on it. It's cool. It's cool. Oh fuck. Why was everyone just playing this game? Everyone just played the fuck out of this game when it came out. I don't. Oh fuck. Wait, was that playing as Guardian? I don't know shit about this game. Maybe that's a normal thing. That looked like you play as the Guardian. Where that seems cool. I don't know. Maybe I'm just stupid. Again, I don't know shit about this game. Maybe that was just some trailer fuckery. Zelda on a motorcycle, okay. Oh fuck!
Hello there. I'm Eiji Aonuma, producer of The Legend
It's
of Zelda
Grandpa
series.
Zelda.
What you've just seen is a trailer for the first wave of DLC for the Hyrule Warriors Age of Calamity expansion pass from Koei Tecmo Games.
Pretty
It will
cool,
follow Link
buddy.
and his allies through more battles that took place 100 years prior to the events of The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. I hope you'll look forward to it. I have a few more things to share with you all today.
Cool, buddy.
We'll begin with The Legend of Zelda
Oh.
Skyward Sword HD game, which
Oh,
launches
okay.
next month.
Okay.
You'll immerse yourself in the role of Link by using
You can
two
tell all
Joy-Con
of the
controllers
fucking
for intuitive
interest
motion controls,
just got
or by playing in
sucked
handheld
out.
mode, wielding the sword via flicking the stick and button-only controls. This game depicts the oldest era in the Legend of Zelda series, the story.
Yeah, but there it goes. I'm yawning in real life again. Okay.
What is the origin of the Master Sword? Why did a woman named Zelda become the legend for future generations? These will all be unraveled in this game.
Okay.
We hope you're looking forward to The Legend of Zelda Skyward Sword
I'm
HD.
not. I'm really not. I'm sorry, Zelda, Grandpa Zelda.
Next up,
Oh, fuck.
here's a little something you might like. This is a Game & Watch system that lets you play
Oh,
3
nice.
games in the Legend of Zelda series. This year,
Oh.
the original Legend of Zelda game reaches its 35th anniversary. While we don't have
Nice,
any
'cause-
campaigns or other Nintendo Switch games planned, we've been working on this Game & Watch system as a special item to help mark the occasion and reflect
they did that with
fondly on
the-
the earliest days of the
They
Legend
did
of
that
Zelda.
with the Mario one, so that's cool.
It will come with the first game in the series, The Legend of Zelda, Zelda 2, The Adventure of Link, and the Game Boy version of The Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening game,
Oh, that's sick.
as well as a special version of the Game & Watch title Vermin, starring Link as the playable character. So that's 4 games on one system, from longer Legend of Zelda games to the pick up and play game Vermin.
just Link's
In
face
addition,
with the fucking
regarding the watch
arms.
functionality for the Game & Watch system,
Okay,
we've added
okay.
a playable clock based on The Legend of Zelda, and an interactive timer themed after Zelda 2, The Adventure of Link.
Oh, that's sick with the triangles.
You can play with both of them by taking
Nice.
control of Link.
Nobody cares about triangles. They aren't even round, and they don't
We
taste
hope
like
you enjoy
anything.
playing this Game & Watch system whenever and wherever you'd like. All right, here's the last
And
thing
then
we
I
have
threw
to show
the
you.
trigonometry baby
This is
into
the
the
sequel
ocean.
to The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. 2 years have passed since we first announced this game, and we've been unable
Oh,
to share anything with you in that
fantastic.
time. However, development has been steadily progressing.
God,
For
I am
today,
such
we've
a fake
prepared some
gamer. I
new
haven't even
footage to
played the
show a bit
first
more
one.
of
I
the
have been meaning
Please take a
to.
look.
I want to get it. I just haven't. Oh shit. Oh shit. This has some fucking floating islands? That's sick. Hey.
So, what did you think? This time around, the setting for the adventure has been expanded to include the skies above Hyrule.
Oh.
We'd like to ask you to wait a bit longer.
Very cool.
We're aiming for a 2022 release, so I
Very,
hope you
very
look forward to it.
cool.
How was that? That's all for this Nintendo Direct. We are diligently continuing development on a
Nintendo's
number
two
of
dads.
other games we didn't show today. I hope you'll continue looking forward to what's in store on Nintendo Switch. Thank you for watching.
Wow. Pretty poggers. Okay. I already did my screaming during the direct, so like... There's not much more screaming to be done. I don't know what I even... I like, you know, this is where you like collect your thoughts and be like, oh, that's what we saw, and then it's I mean, that was cool. everything that I was excited for, I was like, wow, look at that. Metroid looks sick. Mario Party Top 100 except good. That's cool. They actually fucking paid attention to what people wanted for once. Very poggers. Pretty poggers, buddy. Anyway, yeah, I'm just tired. I got up too early. There's a big ass gust of wind. Like I had my window open, it was like everywhere. The fucking wind was so loud. That was such a large wind, is what that was. That woke me the fuck up. So I'm a little tired, and also I'm more tired because all the boring garbage. But anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like if you feel like it, dislike if you feel dislike it, subscribe if you feel subscribe it, and until next time, everybody, do the Mario!
Do the Mario! Swing your arms from side to side, come on, it's